This is a quick demo of Cloudnosys. Cloudnosys is a cloud security and compliance software. We come pre-integrated with AWS, GCP, and Azure, and soon to support VMware as well. The setup procedure is quite simple. For Google, you can log in with your Google account. Once that is done, we pull in all the projects that you have access to, and then you can select either Basic or Advanced. Basic is our CSPM capability. Essentially, we gather all your cloud inventory and run our policy checks to help you understand your compliance failures and best practices. Second is our Advanced, which is a complete suite. It's CSPM and workload protection. It comes with our Cloud X-ray technology, which is essentially an agentless malware, OS vulnerability scanner. Then we have Eagle Eye within this package for real-time threat detection. Essentially, you do not have to run the scan. We run the scan for you based on change detected. Once you have integrated with our cloud platform, the first thing that we do is create a real-time architecture of your cloud, which is presented to you in this diagram. This essentially helps our system understand what's connected to what, in terms of what access they have, as well as their exposure, such as internet ingress or egress. This graph really helps you holistically understand what's happening in your cloud, and also, very importantly, it helps you identify attack paths. Here we have an attack path that shows what an attacker might do in order to get to my sensitive data, which is residing on Redshift. So from left to right, you can see the attacker might take an advantage of a vulnerable Lambda function, use the role, get to my KMS keys, and then use that to download data from my Redshift. You can very easily navigate around the graph and understand much more about your cloud in terms of what's happening. Or you can take advantage of our AI agent to help you do much deeper analysis, such as, show me GCP instance, which is critical and open to the internet. The AI agent will essentially take advantage of the MCP server behind the scene, giving access to same data that this graph is made out of, and it can help you pinpoint to the exact resource, apply more complex filters, and help you really easily, without much technical knowledge, get to the actual resource and help you know much more about it. From there, you can click on a resource to get to its metadata, as well as what other vulnerabilities and issues that resource might have, as well as all the activity that has been conducted on this resource recently by your team having access to the cloud. Second very important and innovative feature is our Smart Dashboard. Smart dashboards are personalized, and you can create them by different teams and stakeholders. And you can talk to this AI agent within this smart dashboard and get much deeper insights and create a personalized dashboard from there. So for example, I can ask, show me my top most critical resources. Here you will notice, essentially, instead of giving you a long, lengthy textual response, it gives you these interactive widgets which you can pin to your dashboard for continuous monitoring. And next, compliance is obviously very important in terms of proactive and audit requirements for any company operating in any region. We support a lot of compliances out of the box, and these are highly customizable if you want to create your own and derive from there. So for example, I can come to ISO, and it's pre-populated with a lot of rules, and I can add many myself. Once I have added a compliance to my account, I can go to its own tailored dashboard that gives me a lot more deeper analysis into that compliance, as well as rule-by-rule mapping of what is exactly violating and what policies are failing and what do I need to do to fix them. You can also create these PDFs from these compliances, which become a very good source of truth to be passed around your teams and to stakeholder-level reporting, and for MSPs to give to their clients. Last but not least, telling you about the problems is one part of the equation. Helping you fix them and keeping them fixed is the other part. While every finding in our platform does come with its own remediation steps that you can use to kind of manually remediate them, but we also give you this automation SOAR capability where you can create your security response in advance. It could either start with a trigger, schedule, manual, or new risk-based trigger. We also give you a lot of templates to get started. But Playbooks essentially helps you create these workflows through our advanced action blocks, such as AWS, Azure, and GCP. These are pre-integrated SDKs that you can use to do different actions. And if you give the right type of permissions, you can even do much more complex write operations and auto remediations from this SOAR capability.